back again today with another video, and it's my motherfucking birthday. Ew. Your bitch is 25 years young. Okay. I feel like I'm getting so old. Birthday glam, get ready with me. A bitch is glowing over here. So my theme for my birthday this year was a icy girl birthday. And I feel like this fucking hair, this makeup, y'all know I never use cool tones. This damn bustier, bitch. She's a birthday princess. Okay. I'm the youngest child, if none of y'all know that. I do have 5 brothers and sisters, 4 girls and 1 boy, and I am the baby, you guys. So I can't even believe that my mom had me 25 years ago. So you think I feel old? She feel old, but we just ain't gonna discuss that. In this video, of course, I'm gonna be showing you a full get ready with me. I'll show you guys how I did this hair. I'll show you guys how I dyed it to get this icy girl, this platinum grayish blue color. Oh my god, it came out exactly how I wanted it. Fire. And of course, I show you guys how I do my makeup. So happy birthday to me. Thank you so much for always supporting me and spending another year with me on YouTube and celebrating my birthday with me. So yeah, let me just be quiet now and let you guys watch the video. And hold on, wait, really quick before I leave. The only thing missing is my fucking nails, okay? And I have no time in this week to film this video, so I had to do it today, and my nail appointment is tomorrow. So my birthday is actually on Friday, but y'all don't know that today is my birthday, okay? So, and my nails are not done, so nobody clock me because the birthday nails are gonna be lit. All right, thank you all for watching, and until next time, bye. Because I dropped my phone, but I feel so fucking cute. Yes. All right, you already know the vibes. Jumping into voiceover. So for this wig and for this color, we're going to be going in with the Shimmer Light shampoo. And please just exclude that sky blue in the corner. We are not going to be using that. So you're only going to need the Adore 150 Platinum to get this color. So this wig is actually from Beaufox, and I've worked with their brand before. I really, really like their hair. And they actually sent me their 613 Body Wave wig, their lace front wig. And this is what the wig is giving as soon as you take it out of the box. And the hairline does come pre-plucked. So that is a plus. And as you guys can see, the water wave on this hair is really, really nice, which means it's gonna take a curl bomb. So this is the Shimmer Lights, which is a purple shampoo. This is what's going to tone out all of that yellowy kind of color in the wig, and it's going to really make it that ashy blonde, but it's still going to be blonde. The reason why I did cut it out is because you guys have seen me do this shit a bunch of times, the watercolor method, so no need to keep on repeating this shit. But yeah, moving on now to the hair dye. I did throw in the whole bottle of the platinum, and as you guys can see, it started adding that bluish tint, which I really, really liked. So after I got the base color with my watercolor method, I just literally just went ahead and just started throwing dye directly on top of the wig because I really, really wanted that bluish to, you know, peep through. If you guys just wanted it to be gray, not with that bluish tint, I would suggest to not add as much into your water. But if you just go directly on the wig, I'm not gonna front, it will turn blue, but that's what I wanted, which is why I did buy that sky blue, but it just wasn't the right tone, so I didn't even need that, okay? And she came out icy, okay? So anyway, like I said in the intro, my theme is an icy girl birthday, so happy birthday to your girl. And now we're about to get this hair correct because this is not it, sis. No, that bun gotta go. So first thing I'm doing is going ahead and laying this wig on my head. As you guys can see, I already just got that bitch on, and I did not know what the fuck I wanted to do with this hair. I didn't know if I wanted to keep it straight, curl it, crimp it, side part, middle part. Like, I just did not know. So throughout this video, you are gonna see that I have it in the middle part, but then at the very end, I ended up, my indecisive ass ended up putting it into a side part anyway. So do what you do, but whatever is floating your birthday vibes. So I just went ahead and threw on some drop curls. You guys know I love me some drop curls, and I felt like that was gonna show off this color the best. Now, one thing that I did want to mention about this color is that it kind of like did like this own little ombre shit all on its own. So pretty much the blue tone is kind of like 1/3 of the wig, or like 3/4 of the wig, but then the tips are just pure silver. Like, this wig is just so fire. As you guys can see here, every time I like to do my little drop curls, I like to add some layers just so that way I can frame my face a lot better. But as you can see here, what I mean, the ends are just silver. Like, this wig is just so fucking lit. So right here I am just getting the top nice and flat, that way it looks super natural. And yes, I'm just gonna continue to do the drop curls to the rest of the hair, and this is what she's giving when you style it. And girl, I'm so happy that I curled it because this color just looks so fire when it's curled. As you guys can see, it does ombre on its own, and it does look metallic, okay? Like, it's not a blue, it's not a gray, like, it's just so lit. Like, it's hard to explain. It's just like a metallic ass color, and this is exactly what I wanted. So anyway, moving on to makeup, I went ahead and did my brows off camera because we will be here forever and a day. And of course, I'm in a good mood, bitch. I'm getting lit, okay? I got the wine on deck, I'm dancing, I got my music on blast. So anyways, for my eyes, I am going to be using the So Jaded palette by ColourPop, and this is in collaboration with Kathleen Lights. So I am going to be going in with that first shade right there, and this is the shade Royal Jewels, and we're going to put this right in our transition shade. I really love the names of the eyeshadows in this palette because it just was giving me birthday bitch, you know what I'm saying? Like, it was just the right vibe. Anyways, now I am taking a cool tone. Do y'all fucking see this? Do y'all see this clearly? Like, if y'all are OGs of my channel, y'all know I do not ever touch no damn cool tones, but I just felt like I had to do cool tones with this wig, so I did pop into a gray, and this was the shade Stoned because we gonna be real stoned on our birthday, okay? So anyway, now at first I was gonna go for a rounded shade, but I'm like, no bitch, we gotta be extra. So as you guys can see, I am building it up in our outer corner, and I am now going back and forth with my blending brushes, making sure that you know, gray is nice and blended. And as you guys can see, I am dragging it out towards my temple and creating more of like a cat eye shape because that was just giving me a little bit more birthday, you feel me? So now we're gonna go ahead and cut our crease. This is with a BH Cosmetics brush in the Rose Gold collection. I love this brush for cutting my crease. It literally makes it so easy. So yeah, I'm doing a really quick half cut crease because that was just giving me birthday bitch. And yeah, now I am going in with my finger and making sure that it is blending with that outer corner because you do want that gray to fade in. So I'm taking a little bit more of that gray and I'm using light pressure on this part, and what we're doing is just fading that in so that way it doesn't look like a harsh gap between, you know, your shimmer and your outer corner. So now I'm going with that really pretty shimmer in the shade Diamond. Now it doesn't look like much on camera, but it is like a really pretty champagne, but it does have like a dual reflex of like bluish. It's just so popping. Like, if you own this palette in person and you swatch it, you know that this shade legit screams birthday. Like, when I swatched it, I was like, oh yes bitch, this is it, this is it. So now I'm going in with the makeup remover wipe, and this is what's gonna give that really nice effect for your cat eye, that really crisp edge. And now I am going in with more of like a liner brush and just making sure that you know, outer corner is on point, okay? So now I'm taking a matte black. This is a Jouer single eyeshadow in the shade Licorice. This is my favorite matte black, and what I'm doing now is just kind of like creating like a liner, and then I am gonna blend it out so that way it does give more of like a smoky liner effect, and I've been really loving this lately. So last minute I decided to add some rhinestones because I wanted to be dumb extra. So if you guys watched my Euphoria tutorial, I was about to get tongue twisted, Euphoria tutorial, you guys already seen how I do my quick and easy rhinestones if you guys want to glam out your eyes and, you know, be extra. So I'm just using that with some eyelash glue, and I decided to just do 3. Now I would recommend to do this before you pop on your lashes, but like I said, I ended up doing this last minute, so the lashes kind of got in the way, but we made it work. So as you guys can see, I just felt like the little 3 on the inner corner was just so freaking cute, so I left it like that. And now moving on to my face, I am taking my Fenty hydrating primer, and we're just gonna skim through this part because you guys have seen me do my face routine mad times. So Born This Way foundation, you already know this is my shit, with the Kylie Jenner concealer underneath the eyes. And of course, we gonna set that bitch with the Anastasia loose setting powder in the shade Vanilla. Boom, done. Okay, if you guys was wondering what I was wearing on my face. And now I'm setting my face with my Sephora powder because of course this face gotta last all night. And to bronze really quickly, I am taking my Fenty bronzer in the shade Private Island to really snatch this face. For blush, I am going to be going in with the collab blush in the shade Major. It's such a pretty blush. Oh my god, you can find this at Sally's Beauty. And for my highlights, of course, I had to back out my dose of colors. This is the Desi X Katie highlight in the shade Fuego, because that's exactly what the fuck we're trying to be today. So, but don't worry, we gonna go a little bit more extra in the with the highlight at the end. So going back into the eyes, this is such an important part, especially for this whole eye look. So I went in with the matte black, and I only connected the outer corner, and I dragged it to like be middle of my eye, if that makes sense. It's a little hard to explain, but basically on my lower lash line, you only want to bring it in halfway, and that's literally gonna make this kind of like a different eye look. You know what I'm saying? Like, you only drag it halfway, and it just literally opens up your eyes so much, and it makes them look so sexy and seductive. And for that inner corner, I am going in with the shade Pearl, just to add a quick little inner corner pop. And of course, gotta add some lower lash mascara. And moving on to the lips, I am now taking my Melt Cosmetics liner. I will leave all the shade names and stuff down in the description box. So yeah, I do quickly line my lips with the Melt Cosmetics liner, and then I am gonna be going in with the NYX Lingerie Push-Up. This is their Push-Up pencil lipsticks. I love these, oh my gosh. And this one I think is in the shade Lace Detail, and I'm gonna add that only to the center. So what I'm going for is more like an ombre lip. So once you got that in the center, now you want to go back in with the liner, and I'm actually putting this on a little pencil brush so I could get it nice and blended. And I'm gonna like make an ombre effect on my lips, and I love doing this, especially for special occasions. I feel like this is just like my go-to favorite lip. Now of course you can add gloss, but I decided to leave it matte because matte lips it's just my shit. So anyway, now I'm going with this Deck of Scarlet. This is actually a jelly highlighter, and this one is in the shade Extra. And girl, when I say that this just made the whole look extra, like, this could not have been a better name for this damn highlighter. As you guys can see, it's just beautiful. Literally, it literally makes your cheeks look wet, and it just has the right amount of glitter without making your cheeks look like they're glittery, if that makes sense. It was just fucking popping. Anyways, I'm setting this face with the Watermelon Mist from Glow Recipe, and this is pretty much the final look for my birthday glam hair and makeup. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. Thank y'all all for watching. Thank y'all of course for all the happy birthday wishes. I love y'all, prima donnas, and until next time guys, bye.